Have you ever imagined what life would be like if we could all simply earn per click? Life would be amazing. Just click, 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 and every single click that you make will actually have a payment sent right to your account. All of this money and all of this success will be within your reach. Just make sure that you What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest ways to make money online. Now imagine being able to pay your bills on time and still have money to spare. It's definitely gonna make your life so much easier. And you won't even be having to work a lot because it only needs a little bit of effort, and just like that, you could be making money. You could be lazy, you could be eating, you could be resting, it doesn't matter. As long as you use this method, you're gonna be making money in that same way. Now, you have to watch today's video all the way until the end, or else you're not gonna make any money, not even a single dollar from today's method. And that's why you have to watch it and really follow the steps that we're gonna be sharing with you, because you could make more or even less money. It depends if you really follow our instructions. So I'm not gonna drag this any longer. Let's just jump right into the video. First thing that we have to do is head on to g2.com, and this is the website that we're going to be using. And basically this website helps clients and lets them choose the right software for the business that they want. And as you can see over here, if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see a lot of different categories of softwares that you're going to see. And then you're also going to see the rating that they've provided these platforms. So that's where our focus is going to be, okay? We are going to be getting paid to review and giving our honest opinions for the websites that have applied for assessment in G2. So on G2, there are a ton of softwares, a ton of websites that need some type of review. And the way that we're going to be earning is actually by giving in our own honest opinions, by giving in our reviews to these softwares, because people come here, those who don't want to earn, people come here to make the perfect decision on which software they want to get. So we are going to be providing reviews so people know which softwares to use, which softwares are best. That's pretty much it. Now, remember, you're not going to do any selling over here. You don't need a big social media following. You won't need any skills or experience for this. All you have to do is be honest, and that's pretty much it. So let's go on and scroll down a little bit to find this button that says write a review. You're going to click on that, and as soon as you click on that, you're going to be brought to this page where you're going to see the steps on how to properly and appropriately leave your review for whatever software it is. So the first step is you're going to select a software that you want to review, and then you're going to leave your honest review, and then you're going to share it. And then you are going to make money. So with those 4 steps, which are very, very easy, you're going to get money. Now, we're going to get through the next steps because you have to know more about this. But those are the 4 main steps that you have to learn. And that's how you're going to even make money in the first place. Before we continue on, I want you to comment down below what country you reside in and what your favorite or preferred payment method is, so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. So let's keep going. Now, step 1, it says you're going to pick the software or the product that you're going to review and give yourself that rating. And as you can see, there are a lot of categories that you can actually choose from. And as soon as you go here, there's sales, HR, marketing, and others. But for today's video, as an example, we're going to be choosing information technology because it's just something relevant and very general, and we just feel like a lot of people will be able to relate to and will want to write a review on, or people would most likely find reviews on. So we're going to choose information technology, and as soon as we choose that category, okay, we're going to be directed to over here, and this is where it's going to show you all of the software that revolves around information technology. So all of the software that has something to do with information technology. And even I'm amazed too, like how many options you have here. There's like a lot. So you're not even limited to 1 to 10 to 20. You're limited to like a lot. Basically, it's unlimited. So now that we know all about this, we're going to be choosing this software as an example. And as soon as you've selected your chosen software, you're going to click on this box and then you're going to tick, and it will show here on the upper right corner what you've chosen. So if you're ready to review the software, all you have to do is click on this button to proceed. After clicking this continue button, you're going to be brought to here where it's going to be displayed the software that you've selected. But if you were to forget a software, just input it here on this box to look for. So you can even search and you can choose whatever it is you want. So you basically have all of the freedom. Before we get on to the real money making part, if you're having fun with today's video so far, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far. And maybe leaving some suggestions below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's go back into the video. Now moving forward, we're going to click on this review button right here, and as soon as you click on that, G2 is going to show a page that's basically going to tell us to sign up and register before anything else for us to be able to successfully leave a review. So that's what we're going to do, okay? You're going to click on the continue to log in. After clicking that, you're going to be brought to this page where you're going to have the option to register using your LinkedIn or your Google account, but you also have the option to just use your business email or any email. Or basically a correct and a used email, because they're going to be emailing you that. So you're going to provide that email, then make sure that it's correct, so that they're going to email you a verification email to just confirm that this email is actually working and you're not a bot or anything like that. And as soon as you have that, you're going to find the verification email in your inbox. You're going to click on it so that you can verify your account. And as soon as you've completed that, you're going to be brought to here where they're going to review the software that you chose, or where you're going to review the software that you chose. The first thing you're going to do is rate the software over here to provide the title of your review. And then after that, you're going to proceed here to answer all of the remaining questions like that, like you did, like the best software, or what you like about the software, what you disliked about the software. These are very simple and easy questions about the software. And basically, there are like a few questions that you have to answer, and you can answer them below 40 characters. And just like that, you can make money. So as soon as you answered everything, all you have to do is tick on this box. You're going to click the submit button, then you're going to wait for the money to get into your account. And that's how easy it is to make money online with G2. It's a very easy, very concrete method for everyone who just wants to make a little bit of money on the side. And there's really no excuse for you guys not to try it. So make sure that you do, and make sure you comment down below some comments, some suggestions, some recommendations. If you guys love today's video, what you want to see next, so that I know what I'll do in the next video. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.